Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your laptop to record and film a Lightboard tutorial. I will be using my Surface Book laptop, which allows one to write on the screen. One can use a pen tab or get a screenwriting app also to do this. For writing, I will be using the OneNote app. My name is Dr.A.K.Venkatachalam. I am an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai. Visit my website www.drakvenkat.com. I make videos to help effective communication amongst doctors and patients, students and teachers. You would have been enamored of a light glass or lightboard tutorial and may have contemplated to get one for yourself, but you dithered because there are issues which need to be addressed. These are cost, effort, storage, specialized knowledge and assistance. In this lesson, you will learn how to capture your screen and also write on it simultaneously so that the screen recording will have your image as well as the teaching material which you want to include in the tutorial. The key step is to set up a split screen in your laptop with the camera in one half and the notes or slides app in the other. I will be using my Surface Book laptop. One can write on its screen with an S Pen. I will be using a separate web camera for better quality. Whatever I speak and show or write on the laptop will be recorded on the screen itself by a screen recording software. Then, when I have finished my tutorial, I will edit it if necessary and upload, shut my laptop, and then I am done. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go to the laptop and let me show you how to do it. This is my laptop screen and I will be writing on this laptop screen in the respective apps with the help of this S Pen. First, I am going to bring up my camera. So the camera app comes here. I open the camera app. Here is my camera app now. So I don't want the camera on the full screen. So I'm going to bring it to one side by making a split screen. For that, I will press the Windows icon and the left button. So the camera is now confined to exactly one half of the screen. We can make further adjustments later. Then I want the OneNote app, which is the note writing app. So I bring up the note writing app and that will open up and that will occupy the other half of the screen now. And now I am ready to record my lecture on OneNote. So it appears as if now there is a totally black surface. I have got a black screen behind me and this is the black background. This is the blackboard and I will be writing on this part, which is the blackboard part of the black surface. I will be writing with the stylus, but the color is red and you will see a red mark here. And the final part, if I have to present this Lightboard tutorial, then I have to record the whole screen. So for that I have got a screen recorder here and that is going to start my screen recording. So it is here. I am going to press record. And my screen is now being recorded. So now I am going to start my Lightboard presentation on my Surface laptop. Here it starts now. Now I am talking to my students. Children, what are the types of plants? Plants, we have small plants, single cell plants. They are called algae. Then you have fungi. Then bigger than that you have plants, herbs. Then you have shrubs, trees and so on and so forth. So how do plants make their food? Plants make their food by assimilating and converting the gases in the environment, that is by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. The leaves take in carbon dioxide during the daytime and synthesize carbohydrates. the carbohydrate synthesized in the leaves go through the stem and is stored in the roots. So this is how plants make their food. So plants make their food by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. How do plants reproduce? Reproduction in plants is different in the different types of plants. We have flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants. Non-flowering plants. So the whatever I write on the board is being recorded here, and this will be shown to my students, put up on my school website, and can be shared on social media platform. So my Lightboard tutorial is complete now. I am going to close the screen recorder and save it here. So I hope you like this video. I think it will be very useful for teachers who want to resort to innovative methods of teaching and encourage the students to learn. Kindly share it with your colleagues, teachers, like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC, and hit the bell icon after you subscribe. I will see you in the next video.